Welcome Math 055 students. I'm going to walk you through your online course with this video. If you will notice, this is where your Blackboard course will open up. You'll have your announcements page. In this particular announcement, I let you know where you need to go to get your textbook and access your online homework tool called XYZ Homework. You can choose to purchase the printed book if you want, but you don't need to. Your ebook comes with the software. I've provided all the ISBN numbers that you would need in order to do either one, whichever you like. You will need to go to the Start Here section of the course and do everything that's listed in the Start Here section of your Blackboard course. You will also need to click the syllabus and print out a copy of your syllabus. Now you have a syllabus and Start Here quiz that is located in XYZ Homework. So if you would go to your XYZ Homework link, you can access your XYZ Homework through this link, or you can just go ahead and you can do it through Blackboard, or you can just go ahead and type in the URL, the XYZ Homework, as I've done over here. So if you'll notice, I just typed in the URL, the xyzhomework.com. My login information will be located in there, and if you'll do, after you log in and you enter in your class key or your course ID number, you'll find my course, and you should open it up and it would look like this. I've put a copy of the syllabus also in this XYZ just for easy access. Your syllabus quiz is located here. You'll notice that XYZ keeps a handy little calendar of when things are due, so that's always nice. If you click the ebook, that will bring you to your ebook, of course. Within this ebook, you have all sorts of videos that you can watch, and you can choose some of your favorite people that you like to watch for the different problems, because they have videos for each of the different problems. I've also included some instructor videos as well, and you'll see those starting in Chapter 2, because this Chapter 1 content is somewhat review, but of course everyone loves a good review because we don't remember 100% of everything we ever learned in mathematics. So going over a good review is nice. So this content in Chapter 1 should be very foundational, and you will need to know it for the subsequent chapters. In going through the syllabus for this course, notice here's our required text again with the ISBN numbers and your course number. You will need a graphing calculator for this course, one that does not have internet capabilities, and you'll want to use that when you take your tests. You will be allowed to use a calculator on your exams. I have in my courses what I call a check-in, and at least 2 different weeks during the semester you will need to send me an email and just check in with me. Let me know how you're doing with the content, how you're doing with the course, and is there anything that I can help you with. In addition to that, I will give you a 5-point bonus if you would check in with me every single week. So for each week that you check in, I will give you 5 points. So that can add up to a total of like 75 points, I believe. So, and those would just be free points added to what would be your total points for the course. You will have several exams, and they will all be proctored, and we'll get to the number and whatnot afterwards. But here you can either choose a proctor site where you go to a proctoring center, or you can choose to use RPN Now. If you choose to use RPN Now, you will be able to take your exam at home. You'll need a webcam, another a microphone, and of course reliable internet when you go to take that exam, and you can just be remotely proctored. With all of that, you will need to go ahead and sign up for your proctor early. If you have any questions, I have links for you to go to for all of that. There are late passes for this course, and they're built into XYZ. If you have any question about those, just email me if you need to know how many you've used or how many are left. There are a total of 1,900 points in this course. If you make 1,710 points, you will get an A. If you make 1,520 points, you will get a B. With 7 proctored exams, that yields a total of 1,050 points, and the points are listed in XYZ as you're going through your work. You'll see the point listing. So notice 2 required check-ins worth 10 points. I think it says 1, but it should be 2. I'll fix that. And then here are your assignment due dates with the total points possible. You'll notice you have a discussion board that you will need to go into, and it is in Blackboard. I'll take you there in a minute. Your syllabus quiz and all of your homework are located in XYZ, as well as your proctored exam is also listed in XYZ, and here you'll see the point allocations for each of those assignments and when they are due. I would print this out and keep a copy handy. So one of your first assignments is to go to discussion board. You'll see that tab over here on the left, and you will need to introduce yourself. I have already introduced myself, and I have a couple of pictures of me with my family and my fish. So you will go in there and introduce yourself, and it's great if you give us a picture so that we have some idea of what you look like as we're talking to you. But you don't have to. If you don't want to upload a picture of yourself, just put a picture of your pet. That's always fun too. Also in the discussion board, you'll see a study group board or study group thread. You can ask questions, and I can answer, or other students can answer. One of the best things that you can do if you're having trouble is send me an email. I will do something like this. Here's an example. A student sent me this email, and they were telling me that they were struggling with a particular question and what is it that they needed to do, and then they sent me just a snip of their picture. So what I can do in turn is I will send an email back. I'll take a snip of the email, and then I'll write on top of that, and I can give them guidance in how to solve that problem as I did here. Just remember that I'm here to help. That's the whole point of me teaching. So if you have any question, you be sure and email me and let me know about it, and I will be more than happy to answer those questions. And I look forward to a great semester with you, and let's have some fun doing some math. As you can see, I put up a really happy banner for you. And good luck.